Hello, my name is Kieran Fitzgibbon. I'm the commercial lead here at ProSolar. I've been working for the company for over 2 years. I started working with the domestic market, then onto the agri market, and now I'm focused on the commercial market. So I think more and more businesses are seeing the how much financial sense solar makes. You have a relatively short payback period, roughly 3 to 5 years. Combined with the non-domestic grant and also the ACA credit, that all lowers one's net costs. The biggest problem we're seeing with commercial clients and why they come to us really is how expensive their electricity bills are. They've seen other commercial clients get solar and they see that it makes sense. We do everything right, so right from the initial site assessment right until the sign-off from our electricians. We take pride on doing the correct work and doing it at a good standard. We wouldn't install a system on any business or any house that we wouldn't want installed on our own house. Yeah, so we have an excellent operations team here. We have Susan and Paige here in the office. They're excellent. They have a great understanding of the grant system, the ESB applications, and they're always available on the phone. All our clients said we're honest, professional. The work has been a very good standard. We're always available on the phone. We're not a company that just forgets about someone once we've installed a system. If you have a call, if you have a problem, we will answer it and we'll try to fix the problem as soon as possible. If you're a business looking for a quality install and looking to save money on your bills, please give us a shout here at ProSolar by calling the office and looking for me, Kieran Fitzgibbon.